Most everyday carry conversations focus on things like knives, multi-tools and flashlights, but one of the most used tools in everyday life is something far simpler, the humble nail clipper. And most of them are honestly pretty terrible. Cheap steel, crush cuts, clippings flying everywhere. And the funny thing is, most of us have probably owned the same cheap pair for the last 10 years. The kind that flex a bit when you squeeze them and then leave that rough edge that catches on your jumper 5 minutes later. So when I heard about these Japanese made high carbon steel clippers designed for a clean precision cut, I was curious. These are the S Plus nail clippers currently launching on Kickstarter. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Jim Bob and welcome to Jim Bob's EDC, where I share everyday carry setups, gear reviews, pocket dumps and more. If you are into EDC knives, multi-tools, flashlights, kits and pouches, or just like seeing what people actually carry, you are in the right place. Because what you carry, carries you. Now, full disclosure, these were sent out ahead of the Kickstarter launch so that I could take a look. But there was no payment, no pre-approval, and I get to keep the items. So here we have the two versions, a silver finish and a black finish. Packaging is simple, minimal and very clean, which already hints at the design approach here. Taking them out of the box, the first thing you notice is the weight and solidity. These are made in Japan from high carbon steel, and they feel very different to the typical pharmacy clippers most of us are used to. There's no flex in the arms. The hinge action feels tight and precise, and the cutting edge itself is very cleanly finished. This is definitely aiming at that buy once, keep forever category. One thing I've noticed in EDC is that the smallest tools are often the most satisfying when they're done well. It's the difference between something that just works and something that actually feels well made every time you use it. And that seems to be exactly the thinking behind these. A couple of small design features stand out straight away. First, the built-in nail catcher. It's a small thing, but anyone who's clipped their nails over a sink or desk knows exactly why this matters. It keeps everything contained rather than firing clippings across the room. Second, the integrated filing surface on the lever. It's actually quite wide compared to most clippers, so instead of clipping and then reaching for another tool, you can tidy the edge immediately. The overall design philosophy here feels like refinement rather than complication. Nothing flashy, just a few well-executed improvements to something that we all use. Now, the real test of any clipper is the cut itself. Using them, the cut is really very clean. No tearing, no crushing, just a smooth, controlled cut. And that's something you'd expect from Japanese tool-making traditions, where edge geometry and steel quality really matter. In the world of EDC, we often focus on tools for rare situations, but you'll probably use nail clippers every week for the rest of your life. So when something simple like this is done well, with good materials and thoughtful design, it genuinely improves the everyday experience. These S Plus nail clippers are launching on Kickstarter right now. If you want to check them out, I'll leave the campaign link down in the description. Do grooming tools count as part of your EDC, or do they live in the bathroom drawer? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one, and remember, what you carry, carries you.